You hit me!
Yeah, it makes funny noises.
Dad, hit the log.
Oh wow. It's like seafood.
That was sad.
Looks like a gosh, that's cool.
Where'd it go?
Dude, the log is coming.
I want to go swimming.
I want to go get it.
I know.
It's just too far.
No, it's not. Your baby girl can seashell.
It gets really deep, trust me.
But then she'll be.
Yeah, but it's worth it to go swimming.
Gotta watch it. She will. Here's a good one.
I'll try.
So,
Let's get over.
Hit the log.
oh, it sucks.
I suck at skipping.
Me too. They're my favorites. White.
I can hit this log.
miss, I know
$10
some-
I can hit this. Wow.
That was sad. Dude, I really want to go get it.
Let's go get it.
I don't want to carry it all the way back. It's too far.
We're not. We'd be pulling it back.
White.
Yeah, we're gonna carry that log.
You know what I meant.
Wouldn't that?
I know.
I kind of want to
Oh,
get
oh. Aww.
It's close
I
enough.
bet you if I stand up, I can get it.
Be careful, I'm in the water.
This one almost looks like it could be a 2.
I'm throwing you in the water.
Look at this white.
Oh.
Aww.